The weather is really bad today. It's going to storm and rain very soon. Miki, let's go to bed early. What was that sound? The weather outside is not good at all. There's a lot of lightning in the sky. Oh no, that thunder is really loud. I don't want to be alone. I'm going to Mom right now. Open it, please! Open it now! The stupid door! It's not opening. Oh no, this is bad. Mom, I'm really scared. Please help me. Oh no, the electricity is gone. Now it's very dark. I'm all alone here. I feel scared and lonely. What is that shadow? The shadow looks strange. It's a monster. Go away! Go away!
The weather outside is really bad. It's raining heavily. I should look around. The power is out. Mila is alone in the room. Mila must be scared in the dark. She's afraid of thunder and lightning. I need to go see Mila. Wait, what was that sound? Oh, the sounds are coming from inside Mila's room. Mila? Oh, the door is stuck. Mila, are you okay? I can hear you crying. Don't be scared, my dear. Don't worry, Mom is here. Mom, please come in. I need you. It's dark in here. I'm very scared. Alone. Look, the door is open now, and light fills the room.
Wow, it feels warm and bright. Mom, I'm so happy you came here.
You're my brave little girl. I'm sorry for coming late, my dear.
It's okay, Mom, but I saw a monster shadow.
No, Mila, you're mistaken. Monsters aren't real. It's all in your imagination. Listen, my dear, there are no real monsters. Sweetheart, I'll show you something. Look over there.
What?
Mila, look! A spider! This spider is as brave as you, Mila.
Wow. The shadow looks so beautiful now.
I'm right here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared anymore. I get it now. It was all just my imagination.
Mila, you're so brave. I'm really proud of you, sweetheart.